Do you hear annoying sounds coming from beneath your car, a gas pedal that vibrates? The cause might be an exhaust leak. Exhaust leaks can lower engine performance and fuel efficiency while letting dangerous gases into the cabin. We'll go over the 5 main signs of an exhaust leak in this video, along with whether it's safe to keep driving until the leak is fixed. But just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. Noise that gets louder. Listen to the noises coming from the engine area when you turn on your vehicle. A leak in the exhaust manifold gasket is frequently evident if you hear a noise that progressively becomes louder as the engine runs. The exhaust manifold piping and the engine block are connected by a gasket, which goes through the same cycles of heating and cooling as the pipes. Examine the gasket more closely for indications of wear or damage if you are unable to see any obvious cracks or leaks in the pipework. Bad fuel efficiency. Pay attention to how much fuel you use. A leaky exhaust system may be the cause if you notice that your car is suddenly using more gas than usual to cover the same distances. Your engine must work harder to maintain performance when there are exhaust leaks, which lowers your fuel efficiency. You should look into a possible exhaust leak if you're filling up more frequently than normal. Although carbon monoxide doesn't smell, not all exhaust fumes do. You'll probably detect a strong, disagreeable smell coming from inside or outside your car if your exhaust manifold is leaking. It's obvious that you're being exposed to dangerous exhaust fumes that you shouldn't breathe in for an extended amount of time if this smell continues. Take your car to a repair shop right away if you think there may be an exhaust leak based on a strong smell. Ask them to identify the issue and fix it right away. To reduce your exposure to harmful fumes in the interim, drive with your windows open. Carbon monoxide can be lethal at high concentrations, so avoid taking any chances. The performance of your engine can be adversely affected by an exhaust leak. You may experience a rough idle or a loss of power, especially when accelerating. This occurs as a result of the leak letting exhaust gases out before they can pass through the muffler and catalytic converter. Lower back pressure can cause confusion for your car's oxygen sensors and disrupt the air-fuel mixture. An exhaust leak may be the cause of your car's slowness or difficulty maintaining speed, particularly when combined with other symptoms on this list. Vibrating gas pedal. Your car may vibrate due to a small exhaust leak. The vibrations will be more obvious the larger the leak. Usually, the gas pedal is where you feel these vibrations first. The vibrations will eventually make their way to the steering wheel if the problem is not fixed. In extreme situations, you might even sense the floorboards trembling. Unusual noise. When accelerating. When you apply pressure to the gas pedal, listen for any strange sounds. A potential exhaust issue is indicated if you hear sounds that sound like air leaking out or a whistling sound. The average person, however, may find it challenging to discriminate between different exhaust noises, engine sounds, and even vacuum hose leaks. There are numerous other engine issues that can result in odd engine noises. Only if you've already spotted another exhaust leak symptom and want to confirm your suspicions should you take this symptom as confirmation. Check engine light. O2 sensors in your car's exhaust system track how well it's working. These sensors have the ability to identify leaks and turn on your dashboard's check engine light. However, remember that exhaust leaks are not the only cause of the check engine light. To read the diagnostic trouble codes or DTCs and identify the precise problem, an OBD2 scanner is the best option. Repair options and costs. You've discovered that your exhaust is leaking. What's next? First, locate the leak and assess its extent. Temporary fixes like sealant or exhaust tape can be used for minor cracks or holes. These products are inexpensive, usually $10 to $50, but may only last a few months. If the leak is due to a damaged gasket, flange, or hanger, replacing the part is often the best option. Gaskets cost between $20 and $100, while flanges and hangers can range from $50 to $200 or more. Labor costs vary depending on the leak's location and accessibility. For more serious leaks or extensive damage, welding or replacing entire exhaust sections might be necessary. This is usually the most expensive repair option, costing between $200 and $1,000. Sometimes replacing the entire exhaust system is more cost-effective, especially for older or high-mileage cars. A full exhaust system replacement may cost $500 to $2,000 or more, and you can use this opportunity to upgrade your exhaust system for improved sound and performance.